With EM, pairing a collector and a transmitter is easy. Simply press this button on the bottom of the collector, and both the transmitter and collector enter into a pairing mode. You can now access this via its local wireless area network to configure all of the settings on the temperature transmitter. There's 3 elements to an instrument area network: the gateway, the collector, and the transmitter. The reason we split it up into these 3 elements is because the collector and the transmitter communicate over Bluetooth Low Energy. The collector and the gateway communicate over the wireless HART protocol. Now, this is done in order to maximize battery life. And this is what sets apart Instrument Area Network: a 10-year guaranteed battery life for end-node transmitters. This battery life is unmatched by any of our competitors.